What is going on, Adventure Nation? Can you help me with this video? Introduce it.
But I don't even know what we did.
We went to Williams with the blockers.
Okay, and?
We hit a wild boar with the blockers.
I remember that. And?
We went to Flagstaff with the blockers.
Oh, that was fun. And?
And we celebrated your birthday with the blockers. This is the Motorhome Experiment. All right, we've been here at our little boondocking spot for, I don't know, 4 or 5 days. Time to get out and go play at Williams. Woo! We're going with the blockers, so we're all heading into Williams, Arizona. Probably hit the brew pub, maybe a restaurant, do some exploring. We haven't been there in a while and hung out, so we're gonna go check it out. See if there's maybe a little museum. You guys are all ready?
Ready to go?
Cool. We have made it into Williams. Now we're gonna walk around and hopefully not get rained on.
I know, look at the clothes.
Crazy, right? Look at that. Mean looking clouds. That's too funny. All right, Lori, what do you got going on there?
Tiny, teeny, small tasters.
Everybody's got this. So that you guys are all sharing, so it's not as bad, right? Yeah.
It's a beer flight and a wine flight.
Cool. My Dr. Pepper is coming.
Yeah, they have priority.
Our tour of Williams has come to an abrupt end. It's pouring rain outside, so we're not able to walk around. So we're just kind of hanging out here at the historic Williams Brewing Company, and these guys are having a flight or two.
Oh, hey.
All right, the rain has settled down quite a bit, so we've escaped the bar. And now we're gonna take a quick walk around Williams. The neons come on. Pretty cool. We are done walking around in downtown Williams. What the heck is going on back there? I don't know what they're doing. They're getting all strapped in. All right.
Got it.
Oh, that's right. There was some souvenirs purchased, doing our thing to support Williams. Heading back to the RVs now. About what, a 50-mile trip, something like that. So, I don't know whether to laugh or cry or what, but we just hit a wild boar. Like a, what do you think? Do you think it's a javelina or something? That there is like this stuff. Like that looks like javelina guts or something. And then this here is like the hair from the javelina. That's craziness. Not too much damage. A little bit here. This is all stuff that it'll all pop back in tomorrow. But yeah, it'll buff out. That is crazy. It could have been a lot worse if we swerved around it a little bit. If it would have caught that front quarter, it would have been really bad.
Poor little thing.
Yeah.
We're all safe. Good driving. Good driving.
Yeah. We're all safe. Poor little thing. And here they guys have new bacon.
Well, let's get down the road now. That's crazy. Maybe I thought of deer, maybe, but never even thought of javelina. That's crazy. All right, let's go, folks.
It was not an elk. Those things are huge.
Oh, if it was an elk, it would have been really bad.
Next morning.
Here we are the next morning after the carnage of the pig running into. So you can see all of this stuff here is kind of jacked up, but this should push back in. We'll have to take a better look at that there. What's crazy still is the fact that it's got the hairs from the boar in the rim, and then just this craziness here. Crazy stuff. It's just good that it wasn't worse, that none of us got hurt. We maintained control of the car, so that was cool, but not fun at all. Poor thing, Lori.
Poor little thing.
Yeah, little thing. It was enormous.
I didn't see it, so
Yeah.
I was just saying like it was a baby boar, a baby.
No, it wasn't a baby. It
probably.
was a big nasty boar. So vicious things they are. We are all getting ready to head out to Flagstaff, and by all I mean Lori and I and Ed and Dorindy Blocker, and I'm the only one that's out here and ready. I know that's weird. Usually I'm the last one, dragging everybody back. And we were gonna go hiking today up at the Grand Canyon, but can you hear that? The thunder and lightning is everywhere, and probably not a good day to be hiking at 7,000 feet above sea level. So instead we're gonna head into Flagstaff. Ozzy, can you say hi to everybody? Oh dude, come on man, come say hi. Everybody wants to say hi. He's like, nope, not gonna happen. How are you liking the thunder and the lightning? Huh? Not one of your favorite things, is it? Everybody wants to know why you're not just running away right now. Go, run away. Run away, go, run away. No?
What's up, buddy? Come here.
Go see Ed. Come on. Go over and see Ed.
No? Come here. Ozzy, come here.
He's like,
No?
I don't have my collar on, and Paul will yell at me if I do that. It's like, I want to, but I can't. Come on, Lorena. The rain is coming down. Talk about service, though. Like when you travel with Ed and Dorindy, like they service right front door, man. I'm getting front seat this time. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. That's door service there, brother. I like it. That is awesome. So we're gonna roll into Flagstaff. Let's not try to hit anything on the way in or out today.
Yeah.
Can we? All right, that's awesome. So this is what happened last time. Exactly, guys. Ed says, so Paul, have you ever hit an animal before? And I was like, no, Ed, I haven't. And literally within 10 miles, if 10 minutes.
Not even that long.
It was ridiculous. I'm like, no, I've never hit anything big. Boom! Wild boar out of nowhere. So.
Well, I've never hit the lottery. Let's try that.
Yeah, let's do that one. Okay, so we have a little bit of a dilemma here.
Is it on the right? There is some mobile.
We pulled into Valle, which is just outside the Grand Canyon, to get fuel to get into Flagstaff, and their power is out, so we can't get fuel. Ed's got about 48 and a half miles. I don't know how many miles he's got left, and it's 50 miles to Flagstaff. So Lori and Dorindy might wind up pushing.
I'm not trying to interrupt your video.
Oh,
but-
how far to the
Well,
gas
it says
station?
that, behind us, we passed the mobile. We just passed
Yeah,
the
no, that's the one we were just at.
No, that's a Chevron.
Yeah, there's no mobile there.
It's just two.
No, there's no 2 gas stations there. It's just one.
So if we get a lot of speed, I think we can coast into Flagstaff.
Yeah, if you just go really fast, we get up on top of the mountain,
Yeah,
coast down the other
3,000
side.
feet down.
Yeah, we're good. All right, perfect.
That's the goal.
There's the plan.
All right.
Ed's got it all figured out. We're at 6,000 feet right now.
So the next one is the pilot.
All right, we have landed here in downtown Flagstaff. We're gonna take a little walk around and check the place out, and we're gonna grab some food. Love downtown Flagstaff. We had a little snack over there at the Flagstaff Brewing Company. Was that it? And then now we're going to this place here. It's called Red Curry. And this was recommended by not only Kevin and Laura, but Ed and Dorindy too. So if it sucks, it's their fault. All right, we didn't record anything inside of the Red Curry restaurant, but holy smokes, it was good.
We have leftovers.
Now I have a baby. No, I know. Very good stuff. What? That's normally Lori's line. Food baby.
I know.
Oh, look at that. Nice. She's got her sticker for Aston Force. Now we can get the heck out of here.
See, when you become an RVer, that's your souvenirs. Stuff
Yeah.
that, like it's small.
Little tiny thin stuff like a sticker. That's the best souvenir for you. All right, today is a special day. We're celebrating Lori's 40th birthday. Look at that. She cheered. I thought I'd get slapped for that.
Why?
I said it's your 40th birthday.
I look very good for 40.
Yeah, you look good for 40. It's her 37th birthday today, and we're out here boondocking at the Grand Canyon. We're gonna head into the Grand Canyon Village, hit the El Tovar, and we're gonna go see an orchestra at the Grand Canyon. It's gonna be cool. Come along with us.
Oh my God, it's coming this way.
Yeah, well. We have arrived here at the Grand Canyon Village, and this is the first time that we've been up here since we've gotten in. So check this place out. It's insane.
Doesn't matter how many times we have seen
Yeah.
it, it's always a wow factor.
Ed's just like, whatever. He doesn't care.
I think Ed is trying to push Dorindy.
Yeah, don't let him get too close.
And it's a different view at every spot. Like,
Every
it's very
spot is a different
so
view.
Different.
Few of you, I'm sure, is a little squeamish of heights, right? Like that. That's incredible. Back, 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 back. So Lori, are you gonna get a stamp on your birthday
I am.
Awesome.
National Park, my birthday stamp.
for Camp Visitor Center?
Look at this. Can't fade it, but it's there.
Ooh, look at that. Nicely done, Lori.
See, the funny thing
High
is,
five.
I have another Grand Canyon here.
Spoiled brat, what just happened in there?
Well, the girl there actually found out that it was my birthday, and she was like, I have a special stamp for you. So she actually put this Grand Canyon stamp, Centennial, but it's all gold. I don't think you can see it in the camera unless you go in the sun. Maybe
It's
in the
real
sun.
gold?
It's
Well,
real
let's
gold.
tear that page out and sell that
We
shit.
can totally sell it.
All right.
You have a lot of stamps. I do.
All right, we're just heading into the El Tovar to do dinner. This place is kind of crazy, isn't it?
It is. It's beautiful. Historic. And you have seen it on Vacation movie.
Yeah, in the movie Vacation, this is where Chevy Chase runs in and takes money out of the register and runs out. This is the hotel. Pretty cool. Not a bad view out there. All right, Lori, happy birthday to you. What do you got there?
I got high school something trout.
Trout steelhead.
Steelhead trout there.
Yeah.
And then what do we got over there?
Steelhead trout.
Ed's got steelhead. You got steelhead as well. All right. And then
Same thing.
steelhead.
Yeah.
And then Paul is the oddball out with the tortellini. What can I say? Happy birthday, baby.
Happy birthday, Lorena.
We've got my creme brulee showed up, and that is an edible spoon. And then we've got the badass chocolate cake over there. That is the flourless chocolate, right? Yep. Flourless chocolate. But check this out. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Dinner is over. Now we got to rush over to the orchestra and listen to some of that stuff. It's dark out. We're here at the Shrine of the Ages, and we are going to see, what's the name of the orchestra? Do we know?
Manhattan something project.
The Manhattan something project. We're always so well informed. We don't know where this is, but we're heading there now. Okay, we're inside of the Shrine of the Ages. We found out it is the Manhattan Chamber Players, and we're going to see an orchestra. Pretty cool. We really like the area around the Grand Canyon, Williams, Flagstaff, all that stuff.
We love it. I mean, it's just a beautiful area. What's not to love, right?
Yeah, and celebrating your birthday there was kind of cool.
It was totally unexpected, but I mean, we really enjoyed it. And just a good company and just what we did, it was just awesome.
Yeah, hanging out the blockers and seeing the little orchestra. We actually thought the orchestra was going to be like a, I don't know, like a 20-piece or something like that.
At the beginning, I thought it was going to be a philharmonic, but it was nothing like that. Yeah, no. But it was still cool just to go and see it.
And I'm sorry I hit a wild boar with your car.
It was bound to happen at some point, I guess. Like when you are on the road and drive it that many miles, it's just like a matter of time when you're gonna hit something.
Especially when you're in an area like that where there's deer and elk and.
So weird that it was 5 minutes after Ed asked Paul the question, so that was kind of like weird
so we're
timing.
gonna blame Ed for that, is what you're saying.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Absolutely,
I mean, for sure.
absolutely. We had a fantastic time hanging out with Ed and Trinity. That was awesome. That boondocking spot is awesome. But this is where we're going to end this one. So if this is your first time here, it'd be awesome if you hung out with us a little bit, got to know us, and that means they have to
Subscribe.
hit that subscribe button. It would be equally as cool if you liked the video. We'd also like to thank our friends over at Patreon for supporting us over there. You guys are awesome. We appreciate it. And we'll see you again in the next episode.
Thank you guys. Bye.
Bye.
By the way, I'm cooking. That's why we
Oh,
are standing
yeah.
in the kitchen. I'm doing my thing.
Yeah. It's going to be delicious. Okay, I'll
Better
leave you
say
now.
that.